Balik ta mga kapuso sa GMA Regional TV Live palaran ta tungod kay karong buntaga. Makauban nato ang usa sa mga sinaligan kaayo kaniadto sa King of Pop, si Mr. Michael Jackson. Karong bag-o mga kapuso, mi-release ni siya og libro sa iyang personal nga kasinatian sa maong personalidad. Atong pakisayran unsay istorya niya niini ug unsay inspirasyon sa niya nganong mipagawas ning maong libro. Makauban nato karong buntaga mga kapuso sa programa si Ma'am Eileen Medalya. Good morning, Ma'am Eileen.
Good morning, Nico. Hi.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Daghang salamat kaayo sa pag-uban kanamo karong buntaga. May we know, ma'am, unsay rason nganong naka-decide ka nga mupagawas ning imong memoir nga The King of Pop and I?
Actually, Nico, no, I really don't have any plans yun na magsuot og libro. But then, recently, if you have seen or heard the accusations, and this pretty serious, so I couldn't just down and be silent anymore. So I have to do my part. And I feel na I have this moral obligation na to protect or to defend Mr. Jackson. Kay si Mr. Jackson was my employer, but more than an employer, he was somebody na he was so kind to me and he treated me like a family.
This comes more than 11 years after his death, ma'am. Kay admittedly, taod-taod murag nagpakahilom sa ligid ta, wala pa kayo ta mo pagawas ini. Pero karon you feel nga kinahanglan na, ma'am.
Yes, I feel that it's my time to tell my story. Ang akong mga kauban, my colleagues have also spoken. They have also shared their part, their story. And I feel that it would also be good na people would also know the real Mr. Jackson. Dili lang as a singer, as a performer, as a celebrity, but kung kinsa gud siya as a normal person.
Backtrack, Ma'am Eileen, sa unsang pamaagi nga you ended up working for Mr. Jackson?
Nico, yes. It was 2005. No, we went to Bahrain, actually, Middle East, so to look for a job. So I guess any OFW could relate na like life here in the Philippines is kind of hard. So I wanted to go in the Middle East and find a better job. I tried my luck and applied for different kinds of job until one day I saw this ad, a very, very tiny ad with siya sa Gulf Daily News. And since I was looking for a job, so nakita gyud din ako siya baskin sa kagamay. So I didn't waste time and applied for the job. And it says there na they're looking for a traveling homeschool teacher. So when you say traveling, so it caught my attention right away. After that, wala pa ko naka-receive of any call or any feedback. So I thought at that time, basig nanay nakauna or nanay na napili. But then after a few weeks, I received a call, a mysterious call, and then the rest is history na. So mo na to siya, a call for an interview for Mr. Jackson.
What was your initial reaction pagkahibalo nimo nga you will be working for the King of Pop?
I thought it was a prank at first. Abid ako binuang. But then, yeah, I was so happy and I was so, like, mura siya binuang dugay siya ni sink in at first nga si Mr. Jackson. Then,
how was it like, ma'am, ang imong pag-travel, ma'am, nga biyahe, dalang trabaho?
You will not be told kung mo biyahe mo. So, dili ka ingnan ahead of time na let's say, oy, next month pag anda mo biyahe ta mo adto tag London, mo adto tag Paris. Dili ingon ana. Ingon naka pack your things. We'll be leaving in 2 days or in 3 days. So, it was exciting. It was fun at the same time. It was really fun.
Unsay mga angayang atangan, unsay mga juicy nga mga mayngutang revelations nimo sa libro nga angayang atangan sa mga mupalit o mu-order unya sa kopya ini?
Yes, Nico, no. The book will tell you more about, as what I've said, Mr. Jackson. So if you really like to know more about him, if you want to know how he was as a father, as a boss, and a regular person, so this book is for you. And through this book, I will be with you. You'll be journeying with me all over the world. So it's gonna be an exciting book.
Kumusta din siya off-cam?
Mr. Jackson is really shy. You would be amazed kay he's a total performer. Like he would have concerts for like in front of like millions of people. But then when you're with him, he's very shy. As a father, he was a very hands-on father. So he prepared the food for the children. He would wake up early in the morning to help them dress up, play with them after school, to help them with their homework. Just a regular father who would take care of his children.
Let's go back to the book, Ma'am Eileen. How many pages, how many chapters ning imong dalit nga libro?
Yeah, it's 206 pages and 33 chapters. It's in full color. The one you could find in Amazon is black and white. Kanisha is full color. And here. So I have here mga notes, mga messages or memorabilias I have. So it's all here.
To cap this off, Ma'am Eileen, usay mensahe nimo sa mga nagtan-aw nato karon ug basig do ka imbitasyon sab nila, Ma'am.
Pag human ninyo og basa aning libro, you will love Mr. Jackson more. So this book is for you. This is really a very positive book. I want the people to go back to this book if ever they hear like any lies or allegations. I want them to go back to this book and read this so that this can be like a basis for them na magpapatuod kung kinsa gyud si Mr. Jackson.
All right, Ma'am, thank you so much for joining us og daghan kay share kanamo nga nindot kaayo nga inspirasyon karong buntaga. Thank you for joining us. God bless you, Ma'am Eileen Medalya.
Salamat, Nico. Bye-bye.
Bye.